Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to make this amazing recipe that everyone will ask for seconds. Let me show you how to make these amazing tender and juicy stuffed chicken thighs with an awesome filling. Come on. Let's make the stuffing. We will need good quality shredded mozzarella cheese. Rest of the ingredients combined together will make this stuffing out of the world. You can even make this stuffing a day ahead and keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator and have the prep work done. This is cream cheese softened at room temperature. We will mix this well for it to be well combined. Once the filling is ready, you're already halfway done. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs for this recipe and I have cleaned and discarded any of the fat from it. Season these lightly on both sides. We will now start filling these with the cream cheese filling we had made earlier. Take a generous portion and press it down so that it's easier for us to roll. Now tuck and roll as tightly as possible. Perfect. Do the same for the rest. If you like my recipes, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for such amazing recipes I post every week. This looks perfect. Now these are homemade breadcrumbs and I just dry ground a slice of bread in the food processor. We will now roll the stuffed chicken thighs in the breadcrumbs as evenly as possible. Take your time and don't rush. Awesome. Do the rest similarly. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Perfect. Here I have greased the baking dish with cooking spray and I'll place the breaded chicken thighs in it. Spray the top with cooking spray too. We will first cover and cook these in a preheated oven and then uncover and cook them for 5 to 6 minutes for a crispy golden layer. Wow, look at that. These look amazing. Let me cut one and show it to you. Perfectly juicy and so tempting. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye.